Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate automatic subtitles on your videos. For example, let me show you a sample right now.
Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a link.
And I can do multiple different things. I can add templates to this. I can also go ahead and change the design. I can add magic emojis. I'll show you that later. So for example, I want to change the preset here. I can come and choose any preset of my choice right here and click on play.
Chart from a Microsoft
And as
Excel
you can
to
see guys, it automatically updates it. For example, this one.
Microsoft Word. It's actually really easy.
These things, guys, are really good for audience retention. It can also add music, call to actions, and a lot of other things. Let me show you what tool this is. This tool is called Clipmagic. Okay, it's actually free. You can go ahead and try this out. And in minutes, guys, you will create clips that looks like they have been created by, freelancers. So all these shorts that you actually see, let me show you. I can easily change this to a short. Go to caption designs and then click on video style. I can easily change this to a short video, guys. Look at this. I can add also a template right now if I want.
And simple. Let's say
Really that easy and simple, guys. Easy to do. And what this tool does, guys, it gives you automatic captions, of course, gets you those visual effects, it gets you emojis. Look at these captions. You can also do captions with magic emojis. Right here, you just come and click on magic emojis. It adds you emojis based on the script that it picks up on its own. You can use viral templates, call to actions, and even AI optimized hooks. Guys, the link in the description if you want to check it out. You can check it out from the description. Really easy and simple. You just come here, but let me show you back to home. You can drag and drop to any video, and it will start creating captions for it. Really easy and simple, guys. Let me also show you the pricing. It's really cheap. If you compare this, look, it's $12 a month. You get unlimited video exports, unlimited length, resolution. You can do up to 4K, all the templates, all the call to actions. You can get all of these tools as well. And if you compare it with the other competitors, for example, Subtitles, they charge $50 a month. This tool only charges $12 a month. And if you compare, guys, with freelancers would actually be charging you $10 or $15 a minute for a long form video, and short videos they might even charge you $30, including things like those templates. So it is really a steal, guys, and you can go ahead and check out the link in the description and start using this tool. And as always, guys, you can subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.